All right, all right, all right. Good morning, good morning, good morning. As you are joining the live video, even if the live video end before you join us, please tell me where you are watching from. You understand? You know, I reply to all my comments. You understand? Every comment on my video, I reply to all of them. So tell me where you are watching from. Then I'll give you a shout out. I'll be very appreciate. And this live video here, I do during London section and in the evening. You understand, when the market is about to close, they will do a breakdown analysis. Let know the direction of the market the following day. You understand? So without wasting much of our time, because without wasting much of our time, let me just go straight to the screen now to like start doing analysis till I see a comment from you guys. Okay, photographics media from Ghana. Wow, thank you for having you here. Thank you, I really appreciate, my brother. Thank you for joining us. So I'm going to the screen now to do like an analysis, you understand, for this London session. Then if there's any opportunity for us to take a trade, then we'll take a trade together. Yesterday London session, we back profit from the two trade that I called during the live section. All of them end in profits, like 1 to 2 straight in both of the trades. So let's still do the analysis today. You understand? I've been following your growth progress. I can really relate. Thank you so much. I appreciate, my brother. I appreciate. So without wasting much of our time, let me go straight to the screen to the analysis. You understand? Let's know what London session have for us. Let's see how the market is behaving. You understand? So this is it. I'll be waiting for your comments. If you are just joining us, tell me where you are watching from. Then I'll give you a shout out. You get? So I'll give you a shout out. Okay, on our screen here, this is GBP USD, and this analysis I do it yesterday when the market opened with gap here. You understand? When the market opened with gap here, and I told you guys that whenever a market open with gap, that particular day there will be a lot of manipulation. You understand? But no matter how the manipulation is, as you can see, the market come down here, form a W pattern, trying to go up. It still come down, clear this particular low before it see like if clear this particular low, give us a long week. After this particular long week, a lot of people will think yes, the market is about to go up, but still give an engulfing candle from here again, come down, take out everybody who enter from here and this particular place, stop them out before we see this fast move to the upside. And this is how it always happen whenever you see a gap in the market like this. You understand? Don't be a victim of market manipulation whenever you see a gap in the market. You understand? Don't be a liquidity to the market. You get one. So I'll go straight to today analysis. Let me show you guys what I'm seeing on JPUSD, Euro USD, and XAUSD. Those are the three pairs I'm going to analyze on. And if you have any question, or if there is any pair you want me to analyze for you, just let me know on the comments. I'll be checking the comments section time to time. You understand? So that I will be attending to you. You understand? Ask me what you are passing through. You understand? Your trading journey, then we'll rub mine together, because this particular channel is for all traders. You understand? Tell me your problem, then we'll solve it together. That's my aim of coming to live video here, to you understand, sharing an idea with you guys. Then I'll be answering your question live and direct, not until I post a video then you comment. Then by then the reply will not be as satisfied as when we are live here. You understand? So this is JPUSD, and as you can see, immediately after the market filled this particular gap, I told you guys that the market will fill this particular gap no matter what, before we see any direction before we see a direction to any side, before the market will take any direction. And as you can see, the market filled the gap, clear this particular high, and this particular high here, clear this particular high before we are seeing a break to the downside. You understand? So I'll first of all go to the higher time frame. Let me see what the market is doing from the higher time frame. Then before we project what we'll be looking out for, you understand, from the chart today, which is Tuesday. You understand? Okay, this is daily time frame. On the daily time frame, as you can see, yesterday candlestick, what is happening here now is that yesterday candlestick closed very healthy, you understand, to the upside, which means it give more like confirmation that the market is still going to the upside. But today candlestick open and it's going down aggressively. But that's not the problem. That's not a problem. You understand? We'll go to the lower time frame, then we'll like analyze our chart based on my own past experience. Then I'll give you guys what we'll be looking out for. You understand, on the chart. So I've seen what the daily time frame is doing. Yesterday candlestick closed very, very okay. You understand? But today candlestick is taking an aggressive move to the downside, but it's just the day is just starting. You understand? So let's go straight to 4-hour time frame. Let me mark a support and a resistance level for out for you guys. Then we'll be expecting, so that I'll show you guys what we'll be expecting. You understand? So that I'll show you guys what we'll be expecting from the chart, this London section. You understand? And if there is chance again, I will come on the live video to do analysis during New York section. If there is no any opportunity for us to take a trade now like this, I'll come during London New York section, then we'll do it together. Just that the problem I'm having here is there is no light. You understand? Even presently, I'm using my power bank light so that you guys can see my face. Then this thing, please remember to analyze AUD USD. No problem. I'll do that. Esther Mukami. I'll do that for you. Very quick. Maybe merely after this GP USD analysis, I'll go to AUD USD to analyze the pair for you. So stay around. Let's see how it's going to be. You understand? I don't have enough battery, but I'll just try brush through it so that you understand. So this is it here. So where is the major support level that we are expecting the market to reach? You understand? First of all, let's go to daily time frame. Let me mark the low of yesterday candlestick. Here is the low. This is the low of yesterday candlestick. You understand? As you can see. Let me mark it very okay. This is the low yesterday and this is the high yesterday. Let me mark it again. This is yesterday high. Okay, then we'll go down to 4-hour time frame. You understand? On the 4-hour time frame, if you look closely, this is the high of yesterday candlestick and this is the low of yesterday candlestick, on which this is the major support level that we'll look out for today. You understand? So I'm going to mark out the major support level now like this. I'm going to mark out the major support level so that I'll show you guys what I'll be expecting if the market break below this particular support level. Then what we'll be expecting is the market to go down again to the next support level before we see another reaction. You understand? And if it's happened that we'll see a W pattern on the 15-minute time frame from this support level, means the market is still going to the upside. You understand? Which the market is still going to the upside. So this is what I'll be expecting. I'll wait for the market to like tap on this particular support level, then I'll switch to 15-minute time frame, then wait for this particular pattern. You understand? Wait for this pattern. As the market is approaching this particular support level, I'll wait for the market to tap on this support level. Let me delete this. I'll wait for the market to, like, it will come and relax on this particular support level. Then I'll wait for it to like bounce up, come down again, give me something like this. You understand? Then I'll confirm this particular pattern with bullish engulfing candle. Whenever I see a bullish engulfing candle from this particular support level, I'll go in for a buy. And my target means if the market moves from this particular support level, my first target will be here. You understand? My first target will be here because this is one minor resistance level. This is one minor resistance level. My first target will be here. Then what is this? Okay, then my second target will be above this particular high. You understand? It will come to this resistance level, do something like this, maybe come bounce on this particular support level, then break to the upside. You understand? This is what I'll be expecting. Once the market come to this particular support level and I see a W pattern from this support level, I wait for an engulfing candlestick to form. You understand? Maybe somewhere around here from this particular support level, because the market will tap on the support level, move up and close healthy. You understand? On the 15-minute time frame, close engulf, then I'll enter for a buy. My stop loss will be below this particular support level. You understand? Then I'll target 1 to 2. You understand? 1 to 2 is okay. Then if you want to hold it for long, after I reach 1 to 2, you like opt out some of the position, you take partial profit. You understand? You take partial profit, then you leave the remaining one up, put it on break even. And this is what I'll be expecting. Put it on break even. I'll target 1 to 2. And 1 to 2 is around this particular area. That is always what I target on my trade. You understand? Except if I want to except if I see the direction of the market and I know that yes, it's going very far, then I'll take partial profit, then put the remaining one on break even and leave the rest to do whatever it wants to do. This is what I'll be expecting on JPUSD now like this. So because of my laptop battery, I will go straight to the question that you asked. I'll go straight to the question that you asked. Live from Kenya. Oh, my Kenya brother, you're highly welcome. Mr. Emmanuel, good morning, boss. Good morning, good morning, good morning, Mr. Emmanuel. I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you. I love you guys. Streaming from Kenya, Harrison, Musia. If I don't pronounce this your name very well, please don't be angry. Mr. Harrison, I see you. I see you. I see you from Kenya, my Kenya brother. Thank you. So I'll go to the question that Esther Mukami asks. AUD USD analysis. Let's go to that AUD USD analysis very, very fast before my battery will go down. What they are doing us here is not even fair. There is no light. Light is my major problem, and I'm like trying all my best now to install. I'm contacting one of my guy who stays in Abuja to come and install this thing solar for me, so that I will be free from this NEPA wahala. AUD USD. AUD USD. AUD USD. Okay. All right, this is AUD USD here. If you can see my screen, let me see number 1 on the chart, please. Very fast. If you can see my screen, let me see number 1 on the chart. If you can see my screen, let me see number 1 on the chart. Esther Mukami. If you can see my screen, let me see number 1 from you guys. Let me see number 1. So that I'll go ahead. We don't have enough time. Maybe I'll come back during New York section, because maybe before then they will bring lights. You understand? They will fire on from there. All right. Means you guys can see my screen. Thank you, Mr. Emmanuel. So let me go ahead. So on AUD USD here, what the market is doing, first of all, if you come on your chart, no matter how healthy your strategy look like, just go to the higher time frame first to know the direction of the market. You understand? But what I'm saying on your AUD USD is very okay. So I'll go to the higher time frame, which is daily time frame, which that's the candlestick I always use. Then I'll see how yesterday candlestick closed. And as you can see, yesterday candlestick closed very healthy, but I don't know why the market, I don't know why all the pairs are taking an aggressive move to the downside. Like GBP USD is going to the downside, Euro USD is going to the downside, XAU USD is going to the downside. Then AUD USD now is going to the downside. But let me show you what I'll be expecting from AUD USD since the yesterday candlestick close healthy. You understand? Close and engulf, like close bullish and it's healthy. So you go to your 4-hour time frame, then mark a major support level out. You understand? Mark a major support level out here is a major support level, like this particular area. I'm targeting this area, but the way yesterday candlestick close, it's closed some, like it closed healthy, so I'll be expecting the market, if there is any break to the downside, then okay, this is a support level and here is a resistance level. You first of all mark this particular place out. This is a resistance level, and this is a resistance level, and this is a support level. So you wait for the market. Now what the market is doing is as if like the market is going to the downside. You understand? Do you know why? See a bearish engulfing candle from 4-hour time frame here. You understand? And see another massive bearish engulfing candle here. So the market, what I'm expecting AUD USD to come to this particular support level. These two candlesticks, don't play with it. Just take a screenshot of this particular analysis that I'm going to do here. Take a screenshot of it. The market will come to this particular support level before we see any serious move to the upside. You understand? But where the market is presently is still a strong support level. Why? Because this is it here, and this is it here. But what the market will do, it will come on this particular support level. You understand? It will come on this particular support level, do something like create an inducement here. You understand? Then you see a spike to this particular to this major support level, because I consider this particular two candlestick as a major support level. There will be an inducement here. The market will try to consolidate around this particular area, convince people to enter for a buy to the upside. Then you see a spike to the downside, touch this particular support level, this major one, before you see is push an impulsive move to the upside. Because whenever a market creates an inducement and it's clear liquidity, the next thing that you see is a massive move to the upside. You understand? So you need to study you need to learn about what inducement is in the market. You understand? Because the market use that particular one to trap buyers or sellers, so that it will clear a liquidity before the serious move, before you take any serious move to the direction that he wants to go. You understand? Sometimes you might be very, very correct in your analysis, but if you don't know about market manipulation, or if you don't know about how inducements work or stop loss hunts work, you'll be a liquidity in the market. Then you can't regret, I'm correct, and like the analysis I do was very, very correct. Then why the market stopped me out before going to my direction? Because you don't know how market manipulations work and what inducement means in the market. So you need to learn about that particular thing. So if the market come to this particular support level and you are seeing a, let me go to 15-minute time frame, the market will come to this support level, then you see like a consolidation here. You understand? That particular consolidation is what they call inducement. You understand? This is exactly this is the practical example of inducement here. As you can see, the markets consolidate from here down to this particular area. You understand? Then people who enter for a sell will think that since the market is moving to the downside, break this particular low, moving to the downside means the market is going down. You understand? All these things that the market do from here, let me mark it out. All these things that the market do from here down to this particular place is what they call inducements. The market create this strong inducements, like making people enter for a sell because it's on the resistance level, then take this move to the upside. You understand? Clear everybody that take a sell from here, because if you take a sell from here, where are you going to put your stop loss? Is above the resistance level now. So the markets go up, clear everybody that enter for a sell here before it takes this massive move to the downside. This is a clear example of inducement and stop loss hunts you get in the market. So try to learn about this particular thing every time, every day. You understand? So it will help you a lot. This is a pure practical example of inducement in the market. So that's exactly what it's going to do on this particular support level. It will come on this support level, create something like maybe like a consolidation, make a consolidation around here, making people feel as if it's going to the upside before you see a spike to the downside. Then from there, you see this type of move to the upside. This is what I'm expecting. This is what I'm seeing on AUD USD. So let me see something from you. If you are following, let me see number one on the chart. If you are seeing my screen and you are following what I'm saying, let me see number one on the chart. We don't have enough battery. That is my major problem. So I would like you guys to come on the live stream, like a New York section live stream. You understand? New York live stream. I would like you guys to attend that particular one. I'll start down from, okay, yeah, Miss, you are following. Thank you so much. Thank you. You are following. So that's what inducements is all about in the market. That's what inducements. So you learn about that particular inducement, then you are good to go. Then take your risk management very, very serious. But I like the way you teach. I'm planning to switch to SMC to support and resistance level. So anyone like anyone that it will work for you, like all the strategy, all the like. And I posted a short video yesterday. I said, don't try to learn all the languages in the market. You understand? Don't try to learn all the language in the market. Just stick to one particular strategy. Then make sure you build confidence around that particular strategy. Then you are good to go. You understand? Then you are good to go. We don't have enough battery. This particular live stream will end anytime soon. So please don't forget to come around. Let me just say 12:30 to 1 o'clock. I'll start New York section live stream. You understand? So since we don't have enough battery and there's no light for us to continue on this particular London section, I just try all my possible best to show up for you guys. You understand? So I'll still come back New York section. I don't do New York section analysis live stream, but I'll come back since we don't have enough time to spend together now. I'll like come back during New Year section, then we'll discuss more. You understand? So try as much as possible to participate. Bring your questions so that we'll solve it together. Answer your life here is my major and my number one priority. You understand? Getting what you want, you understand, for me is my number one priority. So thank you guys. If you don't understand what you say so far, if you are just joining us, you can repeat the live video, then you understand what inducement is all about on the chart. You understand? So you understand what inducement is all about, so that you will not be a liquidity to the market. You understand? So thank you, and I see you later. Let me just say from 12:30 to 1 o'clock. Then we'll discuss more, we'll teach more. You understand? So my brother, Mr. Emmanuel, bring any question, you understand, anything you want us to discuss about later, you understand, on the live stream. You get on the live stream. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate, my dear. I appreciate. Esther Mokami. Appreciate. Thank you. And I see you guys later. I love you all. I love you all. I love you all. Sorry, as this particular live stream did not last long. It's because of battery. See light that I'm using. See what I'm using. You understand? See what I'm using. But I'm planning to install this thing. I'm planning to install solar so that everything will be easy for you guys, for all of us. I'll not say you guys, it will be easy for all of us. You understand? Thank you so much. Like, it's very, like, I'm very pained leaving you guys at this particular time. But oh, thank God. Thank God they are bring light. Wow! You guys, like, I bet celebrate with me. Celebrate with me. Celebrate with me. They have bring light. 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 What they have bring light? I bet celebrate with me now. Celebrate with me. Let celebrate with me. They don't bring us light. They don't manage give us light now. Active, 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 active. We'll continue. Active, hooray! Active, active. They don't give us light. See that? Like, this thing, they tire me. Omo, we are going inside deeply now. We are going deep now. So I'm active. See, what is even paining me the most is I've not analyzed XAUUSD, which is good. I've not analyzed Euro USD. You understand? The only one I analyze is GBP USD and the question that my sister asked. You understand? Is it? I think is extra, but the who I think it's extra that asked that particular question. AUD USD. Yeah, it's extra. So I've not analyzed any of those three pairs that I want to analyze, and my battery is going down. But now there is light. Let me off my power bank. Let me off my power bank before we dive into it now. Yo, I've off it. I just have a great joy. See, I even on my phone light. I'm still going to off it now. You get? I'm still going to off it now. Yo. Good morning, Rachel Jonathan. You are here. Good morning. I see you, my sister. Rachel Jonathan, I see you. You are active. Aggressively active. You are aggressively active. I see you. I see every one of you. So prepare your question. Prepare. You are giving me cake, Esther. What is this? Oh yeah. Send the cake for me. Let me eat it live here so that you guys will see how I eat. Send the cake live. Send the cake live. Send the cake live. Thank you. All right now. So I'll be expecting you guys to hit me your questions. Let's continue. Hit me your questions. Let's continue. And before then, let me go to XAUUSD. Let's see what XAUUSD is doing. You understand? Let's see what XAUUSD is doing. But first, analyze Euro USD. Very fast, very short, Mr. Emmanuel. It's like you like Euro USD, and that is my favorite pair. You understand? See, Euro USD, JP USD, and gold. Those three pairs are my favorite pair, and those are the pairs I always trade. You understand? But I can analyze anyone for you guys. I don't know. Let this fan not disturb me. Make her off the fan first so that you guys can hear me clear. I don't know, because the noise from the fan is even disturbing me too. So I don't know if it will disturb you guys as well. Okay, let's go straight to EURUSD, which is Euro USD. Let me real quick. Euro USD real quick. All right, this is Euro USD. This is where I'm expecting the market to reach yesterday. You understand, ba? Like what is happening, ba? The market will still buy today. According to what I'm seeing, you understand, the market will still buy today. Because if you look closely, the gap that the market creates, Euro USD created yesterday, is only GBP USD that have close its gap so far. You understand? But before Euro USD reach that particular gap, to fill the gap, it take this move to the downside. So let me go to daily time frame, and then I'll start a fresh analysis, because I know quite all right, if the market will not go up to cover this particular gap, means it goes nowhere. It goes nowhere. Is what I know. And I always like experience on it. Like I learned the hard way. To be sincere, Frankly speaking, I learned the hard way. The market always make me a liquidity. I think everybody, like every one of you who attended our yesterday London section analysis, you know that we'll take a trade or JPUSD and Euro USD, and we'll end up getting what we want. You understand? 1 to 2 is just as quick as anything, straight to our TP before we see this particular consolidation. But let me do a fresh analysis on it now. All right, this is daily time frame. Okay, on the daily time frame, what exactly are you seeing? The markets give this long wick to the upside. today safe, I'm even expecting the market to like go up to break above this particular resistance level. Let me even mark it out here. To break above this resistance level, you understand, then we'll see a push to the upside, because from the look of things, this is the last high, and this is the last high that caused a break out of this particular minor support level. You get, this is the last high. This is the last high that caused a breakout of this particular support level. You understand? And the market creates a low. Then instead of the market now to go up, clear this particular high, it's like keep consolidating around here, and there is no way it can go, like it goes nowhere from here. You guys should like take a screenshot of this particular trade, or like mark my words. You understand? Mark my word. The market, no matter how it goes by, it must move, go up to clear this particular high. Then it will either continue to the upside or move from this particular area to the downside. This is what the market is going to do. Euro USD is going to do, because me and Euro USD, I've studied Euro USD count like for long, you get. But nevertheless, I'm going to the 4-hour time frame to mark a support and a resistance level out. Then I'll tell you guys what you should be like expecting from that particular support and resistance level, you get. So I'm going to clear this particular one first. I'm going to clear this particular one. Was how the major support and resistance level. So where I mark my major support and resistance level out is once I see how yesterday candlestick close on the daily time frame, I'll go to 4-hour time frame, and I always say this. It's as if that's what I always said. I'll go to 4-hour time frame to mark a support and a resistance level, and I'm going to, that's exactly what I'm going to do now. So please listen very carefully now. Listen very careful. I'm going to pin this your question. All right. So this is what I'm going to do. Since I've not seen the direction of the market from the lower time frame, and I know that yes, the market will still go up to clear that, to fill up that particular gap that I opened with that yesterday, I'll go to 4-hour time frame. You understand? This is at 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, what exactly are you seeing, and where do you supposed to mark your major support level and your major resistance level? Here, this particular one here is the major resistance level. But whenever the market comes to this resistance level, it's not going to delay. It will break it immediately to the upside. You understand? It will break this particular resistance level to the upside, then maybe retest it, then we'll see a continuation to the downside, to the upside. You understand? But let me mark its major support level first. You understand? If you look closely, where exactly are you seeing a major support level? Let me mark it from this particular area, from here down to this place. I don't know if you guys are here, are seeing what I'm doing very clear. From here, from this particular area down to this place, this is a very strong zone. You understand that no matter what, if the market comes to this particular support level, there is nothing the market is going to do than to like reverse to the upside. You understand? So here is one of our major support level. You understand? And here is one of our major resistance level. But this particular resistance level is not going to hold the market, because there's a lot of, the market is very, very choppy, and the way it's coming to the downside is not, whenever you are seeing something like a consolidation, you understand, to the downside or to the upside, when if the market take a reverse, if the market is trying to reverse to the upside or to that particular, like as the market is coming down here, coming in the form of consolidation, if the market move from here to the upside, the move will be very massive, and it will break above this particular resistance level. You understand? So this is where I'm going to like take the resistance level to now. You understand? This is where we'll see and we'll know that our major resistance level is. You understand? This is where our major resistance level is. See a support, this is a major support level, this is a major resistance level. You understand? Then if you want to mark it further, If you want to mark your support and resistance level further, like you want to like mark it ahead so that you know that yes, whenever market come to this particular place, I'll be expecting a reaction from the market. You do it this way. There's another major support level here. There's another major support level here. You understand? Just look closely and see the major key area that I'm marking out. You understand? Because if I should extend this particular trend line now, if I should extend it, let me show you. If I should extend it, this is it. As you can see, market bounce on this particular horizontal line here. It come down, bounce on it, go up, come down, break below it. You understand? Come down, break below it, go up again, consolidate, break it to the upside. Then it come down, almost tap on this support level, go up, tap on it again, go up, tap on it again. It means this particular zone, there is something very strong that is holding the market back. So whenever the market comes to this particular support level again, there must be a reaction. You understand? There must be a reaction. And exactly the same thing here. As you can see, the market consolidate around this area before it break to the upside. It break, retest. You know, I don't know if you guys are seeing my screen very well. I don't know if you guys are seeing my screen very well. It's break to the upside, bounce on it, go up, come down, consolidate, and like in this particular region, consolidate, break it up again, come down, tap on it with this particular wick, and this is an inducement. This is an inducement. This is what inducement look like. As the market was consolidating around this area, a lot of people would think, yes, the market is on this particular support level. Let me mark it out. A lot of people would think that the market have already tapped on this particular support level, because whenever you see a breakout of this particular minor resistance level, it will automatically turn to a support level. You understand? But the major thing that will happen, the market will come to that particular support level, then start consolidating, accumulating more liquidity. You understand? Because a lot of people will take a buy from this particular consideration, me thinking the market will move to the upside. You understand? Direct. But look at what the market do. It give this particular spike to the downside. You understand? It give this particular spike to the downside, tap on the major support level before you see an aggressive move to the upside. You understand? So this is what inducement is all about, and this is what liquidity graph is all about. You understand? This is what they call stop hunt. You understand? Stop loss hunt. This is stop loss hunt, and this is inducement. You see inducement before you see a stop loss hunt. You understand? So try and learn about what inducement is all about on the chart, then what stop loss hunt, that is liquidity graph, is all about on the chart. Are you guys hearing me? Are you guys hearing me? Okay, yes, boss. That's where my supply zone is. That's very great. That's very great. Means you are very good at what you are doing now. So just continue fire on. You understand? Continue. Study it time to time. You understand? But study it every day and night. See me like this. In the night, if I go out, sometimes if I close that day that I'm testing, like I'm learning how to like share my screen with you guys, I stay in this particular studio up to like till 1 o'clock before I go house. You understand? I stay in this studio till 1 o'clock before I go house that day. You understand? So sometimes I'll carry my laptop, go house, study the charts, study, watch, back text, my strategy and everything. And that is exactly what you're supposed to do. You understand? That's exactly what you're supposed to do. Make sure you dedicate your time. As I'm in this studio like this, my shop is closed. You understand? I closed my shop just to be with you guys. I closed my shop just to be with you guys. You understand? The next shop here is my shop. Just that here is my studio. You understand? My shop is closed because the person my brother who's supposed to take care of the shop went to school. You understand? So I closed it just to come and have one-on-one conversation with you guys. During New Year section, if my brother had not, if by then, I know quite all right, school will not be closed by then. I'll still close the shop to come and have one-on-one discussion with you guys again. You understand? So that's how dedicated you're supposed to be. You understand? That's how dedicated you're supposed to be to the child, because this is something that is going to change your life forever if you understand what you are doing. You get? So you need to like take it very, very serious. You get? So what are we saying? What are we saying? This is exactly what I want you guys to focus on, because this thing affects almost everybody, even our top traders. You understand? This thing affects all of them. They will think like, most especially the beginner traders, if not until you learn about this inducement in the market, you always be a liquidity to the market. And see, what you'll be wondering is, if the market stop you out, you think, you will say, what really happened? Why this market stop me out before it goes in my favor? Like, you'll be wondering, my analysis is correct. Why this market stop me out again? Why this market stop me out again? But you don't know what you do wrong. You understand? What you do wrong is that you don't understand inducement in the market. You understand? Before that particular major support level that you are waiting for the market to come, you understand, the market, before that particular major support level, the market will be consolidating, like trying to make a new base, thinking that the market will move up from that particular area where it's consolidating. You understand? Thank you so much, my brother. Like, it's like consolidate, being around that area, consolidating till it gather enough liquidity, then you see a spike, clear people out, and whenever that particular thing happen, it will go directly to your favor, and you'll be very frustrated. You will look very weak, look very frustrated, and look very shattered that period. You understand? You will say, I'm correct. Sometimes if you even feel like to cry. You understand? If market stop you out at that particular time, you'll feel like to cry. You get? But it's just one minor something that you're supposed to learn on the chart. You understand? That is affecting you. So whenever you learn that particular thing, then you are good to go. Then the next you're supposed to do is to like keep managing your risk. Keep managing your risk, because you don't know when market will go against you. You don't know when the market will go in your favor. So you're supposed to like keep manage your risk every time. You understand? Keep manage your risk every time. So I don't know. I'm expecting another question from you guys. So this is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to do. As the market is approaching this particular support level, I'll go to 15-minute candlestick. I'll go to 15. As you can see, the market is approaching the support level and trying to move up from here. It's like trying to gather enough liquidity. Maybe there will be a little consolidation around here so that people will buy to the upside, but I'm not going to do anything. You understand? It's not every trade that you need to take safe. You understand? If market not do what exactly you want it to do, just leave it. Means that particular trade is not for you that period, that time. If the market refuse to do what you are expecting it to do, just leave the market, let it do whatever you want to do, let it cool. You understand? Means the market is, that particular trade is not for you that period. So I'll wait for the market now. What I'll do, I'll wait during this London session, I'll wait for the market to come on this particular support level. To come on this particular support level, rest on the support level, then I'll see a push to the upside, then come back again. You understand? Come back again, then I'll see a bullish engulfing candle from this particular area before I'll enter for a buy. You understand? Because what I'm expecting from the market today, the market is still going up to fill this particular gap. Let me still mark it out for you guys. I don't know why Euro USD refused to fill this gap yesterday. I don't know why Euro USD refused to fill this gap yesterday. So I'm expecting the market to bounce on this particular support level again. Then we'll see a push to the upside. So let's see what the market is going to do. You understand? I'm going to like put a buy order here like this. I'm going to put a buy order here. Putting a buy order. Then my stop loss will be below the support level, 25 pip. Then I'll target 1 to 2. I'll target 1 to 2. You can as well even target almost up to 1 to 3. You understand? 1 to 3 is at this area. You understand? But 1 to 2 is what I always target. That's the reason why I always mark out 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 2 for you guys. And if not because of that 1 to 2, do you know that the market for reverse against us? This is where the market stop us hit our take profit yesterday. This is exactly where the market hit our take profit yesterday before this consolidation is happening to the downside. You understand? So this is what exactly I'm looking out for on Euro USD during this particular London session. And if it not play out before London session ends, then this is exactly what it will do during New Year session. You understand? And if there is chance, I will come on my live video here to like explain it for you guys so that we'll see it together. You understand? So I'll go to, let me see if there is any question from you guys. Is there any question? Is there any question? Is there any question? If there is any question, let me know on the comments so that I'll like go through it for you guys. So that I'll go through it for you guys. If there is any question, let me know. If there is any question, let me know. If you can hear my voice, if you, let me see. Okay, my voice is all right. The mic is active. The mic is active. The mic is active. So I'll be expecting a question from you guys while I'll go on XAUSD to like do analysis on that particular one also. I'll be expecting a question from you guys. Drop your question on the comments so that we'll go through it. Drop your question on the comments so that we'll go through it. XAUUSD. These are XAUUSD here. These are XAUUSD here. And these are the major support level that I mark. And these are the major support level that I mark. As you can see, XAUUSD is just going odd. Let me see if, okay, just a little, this thing, less than some does now for XAUSD to reach this thing $4,000. Let me mark it out. This is where $4,000 is. This is where $4,000 is. This is where XAUSD is targeting. You understand? XAUSD is that is gold is targeting 4K. That is the aim for gold. You understand? But before then, let me go to 4-hour time frame. I'll show you the reason why I mark my support level here. You understand? And I mark another support level here. Let me go to 4-hour time frame so that I'll show you guys. After I show you, then I'll like delete it. Then we'll do a fresh analysis. Why? Okay. Okay, this is it here. As you can see, this is the last support. This is the major support level I'm expecting the market to come to before I'll take any action, because you cannot just say market is trending to the upside, then you just jump on it. No, you wait for the market to come to your expected area before you take action. That is exactly what you need to be doing every time. Don't just pursue the market. The more you pursue the market, the more you lose. You get? So you have to wait for the market to always come to you before you take action. You understand? So as the market is giving us this particular bearish engulfing candle, I'll expect the market to come to this particular support level. Then we'll see another, before we'll see another push to the upside. You understand? On XAUUSD. You understand? But on XAUUSD, I expect the market to come to this particular support level. Then I will expect a W pattern. You understand? Then we'll follow it to the upside. By then I'll switch. If the market is approaching this particular support level, I'll switch to lower time frame, which is 15-minute time frame, just as I always tell you guys, so that I'll switch to 15-minute time frame, wait for an engulfing candle from 15-minute time frame, then I'll follow the trend to the upside. What gold is targeting is 4K. Don't get me wrong, what gold is targeting is 4K, and if gold hit 4K, you see a massive drop to the downside. If gold hit 4K, you see a massive drop to the downside. So let me check if there is any question, because you are not always active on WhatsApp. That WhatsApp, I don't know. Do you message me? I don't know if you message me on WhatsApp. But if there is any question, if I say, I can give like, If you ask me, I can just drop a voice note for you on what you said. But if you want us to like discuss it live so that you see the a practical example of what you asked about is live video here, because this is where I can share my live my screen for you. You understand? Okay. So message me today now. Like after this particular live stream, message me so that we'll chat. Message me, just tell me you are Emmanuel Nnabike, you understand? Then we'll continue our conversation from there. I'll be expecting your like I'll be expecting your message on WhatsApp after this live video. I'll be expecting your message on WhatsApp. So I don't know if you guys are getting what I'm saying on the chat. I don't know if you guys are yeah. I don't know if you guys are getting what I'm saying on the chat. If you are getting what I'm saying, let me see number one on the chat. If you are getting what I'm saying on the chat, let me see number one. I think I've analyzed GBP USD, I've analyzed Euro USD, and I've analyzed AUD USD for our sister, and I'm analyzing a XAUSD now. So let me see number one. Okay. Means you are following. So, Mr. Emmanuel, if there is any question, if there is anything you want me to like discuss with you, or if there is anything you want me to show you, then let me know. We'll come on live. You ask the question. Just drop the question for me on WhatsApp. Then, if I want like, then I'll just answer you. Just let's discuss first. Miss Rachel, okay, you're active. Thank you. You are active. You're active. Thank you. All right. So this is just as I'm saying, I'll wait for the market to come to this particular support level, then I'll switch to 15-minute time frame. If I switch to 15-minute time frame, I'll wait for a W pattern to form on the 15-minute time frame, then I'll enter for a buy. You get? Then I'll enter for a buy. This is it. This thing have go very far, very far. And if you want to like, if there is any, it has gone very far. This is where I'm expecting the market to come, to tap on. This is the major support level I'm expecting the market to tap on before I'll do anything. You get? This is the major support level I'll be expecting the market to tap on before I'll enter for a buy, because that is where I will have the full confidence to buy from. You understand? If you want to enter your trade and you don't have full confidence on what the market is doing that particular period, I beg, stay away. You understand? Stay away from that particular trade, because definitely you are going to lose that particular trade. Any trade that you just say, let me just take this particular trade, let me just take this trade, you are going to like lose that trade. Like it happened over and over again. You understand? It happens over and over again. You understand? So anywhere, if you want to take your trade and you are not convinced enough, you understand, stay away. You understand? Stay away. It's not every move that you're supposed to like catch in the market. It's not every move. It's not compulsory that you catch every move on the market. You understand? So this is what exactly I'm expecting. I think, yep, this is it here. And I've told you guys, XAUSD is targeting 4K. You understand? It's targeting $4,000. That is the reason for all these move to the upside that you are seeing. It's targeting $4,000, and whenever it touches that $4,000, there will be a massive drop to the downside. You understand? So I'll be expecting a question from you guys. If there is anyone you want me to analyze, let me know. If there is any pair at all you want me to analyze, let me know so that I'll fire on. Let me know if there is any pair at all you want me to analyze for you. If there is any question you have to ask, let me know on the comment section. If there is any pair at all you want me to analyze, let me know on the comment section. Let me know on the comment section. I'll be waiting for your questions. I'll be waiting for your questions. That is the reason. That is the reason I trade only Euro USD. That's the reason you always ask about Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD, Mr. Emmanuel. And it's very great. It's very, very okay. Euro USD is a beginner friendly pairs. You understand? Euro USD is a beginner friendly pairs. Like, no too much manipulation on Euro USD. Like pairs that sweep liquidity, like almost every time. You see JPUSD, JPUSD, they very good in sweeping liquidity. XAUSD, they very good in sweeping liquidity. But you see Euro USD is very, very calm and very low in this thing. Very low, like very calm. Let me just say it's very, very calm. You get. Let me just say it's very, very calm. Let's see what Euro USD is doing. Let's see what Euro USD is doing, as I'll be waiting for a question from you guys. If there is anything at all you want me to talk about, if there is anything at all you want me to talk about, I'll be waiting for your question. Let's see what Euro USD is doing. Let's see what Euro USD is doing. Okay. This is the analysis we'll do on Euro USD. I'll be waiting for the market to come to this particular support level, just as I told you guys, before I do anything. Before I do anything, I'll be waiting for the market to come on this particular support level before I'll do anything. You get. I'll be waiting for the market to come on that particular support level before I do anything. So let me check if there is any question. Is there any question? Is there any question? Is there any question? Is there any question? Or I should, and if there is any pair at all you want me to talk about, let me know so that we'll discuss. Or if there is anything at all you want me to talk about, how you become profitable, any advice for us? That's very, very light. This your question is very, very, very nice. This your question is very, very nice. How I become profitable? Because I'll say I'm a profitable trader because since this particular year, I can give you a history of my Octa FS account. I can give you a history of my 10K prop account on Funded Nest, and I can give you a history of my 25K prop account on Funded Nest. You understand? So how I become profitable is I stick to one particular strategy. You understand? And I apply proper risk management. You understand, ba? I don't move by the win I have yesterday. You understand? The win I have yesterday don't move me, and the loss I have today don't have any impact on me, and it doesn't stop me from what I supposed to do on the chart tomorrow. You understand? So I stick to my analysis. I don't switch analysis. I don't switch my risk management. I make sure I prioritize. Once you can be able to prioritize your risk management on the chart, that is all. Know what you are, don't just be switching around. You understand? Know what you are risking per trade. You understand? But know what you are risking per trade, then you are good to go. Okay, boss, analyze USDJPY. Okay, I'm coming to that. Know what you know, like prioritize your risk management on the chart. You understand? So that maybe sometimes bad what you like keep you unprofitable on the chart is not that you are not doing the right thing, but you like maybe because of the loss you have, you'll be like pursuing the market. Let me just okay, let me take another trade to like recover my loss, the loss that I have. You understand? And by then you still have more loss. You understand? And instead of you to be profitable, you like maybe be going down. You understand? But all I do, my loss do not have any impact on me, and my win do not have any impact on me. What I gain do not have any impact on me, and what I lost do not have any impact on me. All I do is I'll come on my chart, look at the charts, know what to risk, per that particular trade. You understand? Know what to read per trade. You understand? Don't just switch, like maybe you lose $200 today, tomorrow you lose $100, today you gain $5, tomorrow you lose $100. No, you understand? Stick to your strategy, stick to your risk management, and you are good to go. And in short period of time, you are going to be profitable. You understand? Know what you are doing. You understand? But that's just the only thing. Know what you are doing. You get? Know what you are doing. Make sure your risk management is intact. Know what you are risking. That's just it. Know what you are risking. That's just it. It's me. Okay, okay. Oh. You are using different name. I've seen your message. You are using different name. All right. So let me do analysis on USD JPY for our sister Rachel. USD JPY. Oh yeah, let's do the analysis on USD JPY. Let's go to USD JPY. Where is it? Right. USD JPY. All right. Okay, this is USD JPY on our screen here. This is USD JPY. What exactly are we seeing? USD JPY open with a massive gap. What is this? That means it's all the currency pair that open with gap yesterday. I don't even check. I don't even know because I don't trade USD JPY. I don't trade USD JPY. Almost all the markets open with serious gap. But just hold on, let me look for something. All right. I've seen something on the chart now. The market is approaching this particular resistance level already. In what we'll see on the market today, let me mark this particular resistance level, because know how, whenever you see something like this on your chart, don't forget that particular gap. Even if the market let it go to the sky, it must come down to fill that particular gap. You understand? It is a must. It will come down to fill that particular gap. So this week like this, today is Tuesday, right? Before this week end, you see a massive drop to the downside, you understand, on USD JPY to fill this particular gap. But the gap on USD JPY is very, very massive. I don't know why. All of them have a gap, but this USD JPY, the gap is very massive. But if you know how to trade the gap, is like you are going to benefit a lot from this. You understand? Because if you confirm your entry from sell, you understand? If you confirm your sell position entry, all you need to do is to just chill and relax. Although there will be a lot of manipulation, and if not because of that manipulation yesterday, the market could have come to this particular gap to fill it. You understand? Give us an M pattern from here like this before you see any move to the upside. As the market open with gap, you will see a push to the downside, then give something like this before it go to the upside. You understand? But once the market open with gap, market makers know that almost every retail traders know that whenever a market open with gap, they must be they will know that the market will come and fill the gap before it take any direction. So they know that quite all right. So they will make enough manipulation, you understand, to sweep liquidity, take advantage of retail traders to cash out, you understand. But all you need to do is to play smart, you understand. As they are trying to use your head, you use their head, you understand. You might use their head. So the analysis I'm going to do on USD JPY now, what I'll be expecting on USD JPY from today till tomorrow, next tomorrow till this weekend, all you need to do is to be targeting sell, no matter the aggressive to the upside. And as you can see, is approaching this particular resistance level already, you understand. But my major target is this particular gap. I don't know, maybe it's I'm going to take this trade. If I get a real confirmation, I will take this particular trade. I'll take this particular trade. because the market must come down to fill this particular gap. This gap here, the market must come down to fill it. That is just it. And so I'll go to 4-hour time frame. Let me see what the 4-hour time frame is doing. As you can see, I told you guys, whenever something like this happen on the chart, just expect a strong manipulation from the market makers. You understand? From the big boys. Expect a strong manipulation from them. Okay, what exactly do you see? As the market open with gap here, do you see that this is a bearish engulfing candle from 4-hour time frame? If you see a bearish engulfing candle from 4-hour time frame, what will come your mind? Like person like me, what will come to my mind is that yes, the market is ready now to come to this particular favorable gap to fill it up before we see another push to the upside. Means you enter for a sell here, and what do you see? The market still go up, like go up jelly to take out this particular high again. You understand? To take out this particular high again. This is what I call market manipulation. You understand? Because they know all what people are targeting is this particular gap. And before you see that the market come to fill this gap, they will gather enough liquidity. You understand? So what I'll do from here now, I'll wait for the market to do whatever it wants to do from this particular resistance level that I marked from the daily time frame. I'll allow the market to do whatever it wants to do. Then I'll see a confirm M pattern. You understand? A confirm MO pattern from this particular resistance level. You understand, ba? And whenever if I see that confirmed M pattern from this particular resistance level, I'll enter for a sell. If I join it with a bearish engulfing candle. You understand? Once you see that particular pattern, all you need to do on USD JPY from today, tomorrow, next tomorrow till this weekend is a sell till this particular gap filled up. You understand? Until this particular gap filled up. If not, all you need to do, if you do anything concerning buy, all this buy that you are seeing is just a market manipulation. You understand? All this buy you are seeing here is just a market manipulation until this particular gap is filled up. You get? So I'll go to the lower time frame. I'll go to the lower time frame, which is 15-minute time frame, my favorite time frame where I take my trade from. I'll wait for the market to give me something like an M pattern from this particular resistance level now. You understand? I'll wait for the market to give me something like an M pattern from this particular resistance level, maybe something like this. Something like this. It will come, maybe tap, go above this resistance level, come down, you understand, retest, go up, you understand, then I will like confirm this particular pattern with, join it with a bearish engulfing candle, then that is the right time to enter for a sell. You understand? And where are you targeting? You will be targeting that particular gap. You understand? Down below. That gap down, that is where you target. You understand? So what the market is doing now, as a scalper self, you can even enter, because this is a bullish engulfing candle from the 15-minute time frame. You can enter for a buy, target just 1 to 1 or 1 to 2, and you are out. Target just 1 to 1 or 1 to 2, because what they are doing, they are going to manipulate the market, make the market to move up till they clear everybody that will take a sell. You understand? Targeting that gap on the down. You understand? On the down, like targeting that this particular gap. Let me go to 4-hour time frame again. They will make sure they sweep everybody who will enter early to target this particular gap. They'll sweep them out. So this 15-minute engulfing candle that you are seeing here, as a scalper, you can even enter for a buy. You can enter for a buy, but it's very risky. Because if you enter this particular buy, you target either 1 to 1 or 1 to 2, something like this. Your stop loss will be below this particular engulfing candle. Then you target 1 to 1 or 1 to 2. And 1 to 2 is around this area. 1 to 2 is around this area. You understand? 1 to 2 is around this area. So if you want to take a trade now like this, if you want to take a trade, if you like want to take a trade, you enter for a buy like from this particular area, waiting till the market give an end pattern and combine it with a bearish engulfing candle. You get. So I don't know if you guys are following what I'm saying. If you are following what I'm saying, let me see number one from you guys. If you are still following what I'm saying, let me see number one from you. If you are following what I'm saying, let me see number one from you. USDJPY, you can enter USDJPY for a sell now, for a buy now. You understand? Target 1 to 1, like we'll target 1 to 2, then when it reach 1 to 1, we'll take a partial profit, then we'll target, we'll put the remaining one on break even, then we'll target 1 to 2 till the market do whatever they want to do. Let me check my, and I don't trade Euro USD, I don't take USD JPY. I don't trade USD JPY. That's me, but USD JPY, let me see. Okay. The market have gone very far, but this gap here. Okay, means you are following what I'm saying. So if you are on your chart now, you want to take a trade, you can enter for a buy now. You understand? Let's take this particular trade together. I don't normally trade USD but let's take it together. If you are on your chart now, you want to take a trade, enter for a buy. Let's target 1 to 2. You understand? But whenever I reach 1 to 1, we are going to like take partial profit, then put the remaining one on break even. I'm going in now like this. I'm going in now like this. 1 to 2. 1 to 2 will be, I'm risking 13 pip, which is 26 pip, targeting 26 pip. I'm targeting 26 pip. This is it. I'm going to show you guys. I've entered already. This is my entry. I'm coming. I've entered a buy on USD JPY already. This is it. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see the entry? Can you see my entry? If you can see my entry, let me see number one. I've entered a buy already. So you can enter a buy, target 1 to 2. Then whenever you reach 1 to 1, you put it on break even. You understand? Whenever I reach 1 to 1, you put it on break even. How much am I generating so far? Since I just entered a trade now, this is $4 in profit already. You understand? This is $4 in profit already. This is it. I don't know if you are seeing it. I don't know if you are seeing it. So $4 in profit already. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it will go. Because they will try to manipulate the chart till they stop everybody that will put US is long-term bullish because dollar is strong too. Okay. So, but there is a gap down here, like the market open with gap, and that particular gap need to be filled. You understand? That particular gap need to be filled. Although you are correct, what you said, you are correct. You understand? But there is a gap down here. That is the main this thing. This is a trade I will take. It's going now, but let's see how far it can go. Let's see how far it can go. It's pushing very, very well now. You understand? It's pushing very, very well. It's pushing very, very well. So let's see how far it can go. Whenever, if you reach 1 to 1 already, immediately you can take partial profit when you reach 1 to 1, then put the remaining one on break even. You understand? How many people are we risking? We are risking 13 pip to get 26 pip. to get 26 pip. You are risking 13 pip to get 26 pip, and it's pushing very okay. You understand? It's pushing very okay. Let's see how this particular one will go. Let's see how this particular one will go. Let's see. All right, Miss Richard, do you enter the trade? Do you take the trade? If you take the trade, let me see number one on the chart too. Tell me if you take the trade, because you are the one that makes me enter this particular trade. You are the one that make me enter this particular trade and see the push. See the push. See what we are generating. See what I'm generating. This is $8 now. This is $8 now. This is $8. So let's see how it will go. Let's see how it will go together. This is $9 in profit now. I mean $9 in profit now. So let's see how this particular one will go. Let's see where 1-to-1 will be. Let's see where 1-to-1 will be. 1-to-1 will be around somewhere around here. Okay, let me mark it out. 1-to-1 will be here. Then let me 1-to-1 will be here. Then 1-to-2 will be around this area. This is 1-to-2. 1-to-1 here. You understand? 1-to-1 here. Then 1-to-2 here. So let's see how it will go. Let's see how it will go. Just a minute, I'm coming. All right, I'm back. I am back. I'm back. Okay, it's still doing well. It's still doing well. It's still doing well. It's still doing well. It's still pushing. It's still pushing. Yes, I'm in. Okay. Let's see how it goes, man. Let's see how it goes. So, let's see how it's going to play out. Let's see how it's going to play out. So before then, let me check what Euro USD is doing. Let me see what Euro USD is doing. Let me see what Euro USD is doing. Okay. Just as I told you guys, the market will come to this particular support level before we see a push to the upside, and is approaching it already. Is approaching the support level already. It will come on this particular support level, give us this type of pattern, then we'll enter for a buy. You get. it will come on this particular support level, give us this type of pattern like this W pattern, then we'll see an engulfing candle, then we'll enter for a buy. I'm 11 like $12 in profit now. I don't know how many dollar you are making from your end here. How many dollar are you making? How much are you making? How much are you making? Tell me how much you are making. Tell me how much you are making. Let me see. Miss Rachel, tell me how much you are making from our trade. Tell me how much you are making. I'm $13 in profit now. I'm $13 in profit. I don't know how much you are making. I want to know how much you are making from the trade currently. Tell me how much you are making from the trade currently. Tell me how much you are making. Tell me how much you are making. Okay. 15-minute time frame. All right. Tell me how much you are making. How much so far are you making? How much so far are you making? Have you entered very late? I don't know. Have you entered late? I don't know. So tell me how much you are making. Tell me how much and you're active. Oh. You always active. You always active. Oh shit. You always active. Tell me how much you are making from the trade so far. It's still pushing. I'm $14 in profit now. I'm $14 in profit now. Although I use smaller time frame, which is 0.3. 0.3 because that's not my pair. Oh, $6 already. Oh, that's very great. That's very great. That's very great. That's very great. That is very great. What's good, brother? Brother man. Oh, Kingsley. Mr. Kingsley, I'm good, bro. I'm good. And you? How was your night? Thanks for joining us. So where are you joining us from? Where are you watching from? Tell me, I want to know. Tell me, I want to know where you are watching from. Tell me, I want to know where you are watching from. Tell me, I want to know where you are watching from. And if there is any question that you have, if you have any question, we are still going to discuss about it. Tell me if you have a question, drop it on the comment. Let's discuss about it. If you have a question, drop it on the comment. Let's discuss about it. And I want to know where you guys are watching us from. I want to know where you guys are watching from. $14 in profit now. Let this thing push a big. Just push. Let's see. Okay, Nigeria. Oh, that's very great, my brother. That's very, very great. Very, very great. Very, very great. Now we dey here. No be lie, oh. No be lie. Now we dey here. I will have other people from another side also. I think one of our brother from from Kenya is among us. I don't know if he's still active. I don't know if he's still active. I don't know if he's still active. Yep. Let's see how this particular trade will go. Then, so I'll be expecting a question from you guys. I'll be expecting 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 a question from you guys. And this is the trade that we are in. This is the trade that we are in. So how much so far am I generating? Let me see. This is $15 in profit now. And $16 in profit. I mean $16 in profit now. If there is any question you can ask, so that we'll go to we'll do it together, we'll solve it together. That's the reason why I'm here for you guys. If there is any question, just let me know. It's approaching our TP1 now. It's approaching our TP1. Let's see how it will go. It's approaching our TP1. Let's see how it will go. What's the scheduled day and time for our live? The scheduled day and time for the live video is 8 a.m. in the morning and 8 p.m. in the evening. You understand? During London section and maybe during evening time, so that we'll do analysis together, ask your question, then I'll answer you. 8 a.m. in the morning and 8 p.m. in the evening. Just that only thing that is disturbing me is light. You understand? Light is my major problem, but I'm thoroughly working on that. Today I'll start the live video very late. You understand? Because there is no light. And thank God, I won't even call off the live video. Immediately before I even call off the live video, they bring light. So I thank God. So if there is light, there is nothing is going to stop our live video. You get? If there is light, nothing is going to stop our live video. That is just it. Nothing. 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. That's the schedule time for it. So bring your question, bring anything you want us to discuss together, so that we'll do it together. You get? Bring anything at all you want us to discuss together. Anything at all. Twice a day, morning and evening. London section and evening, which is that one. We'll just do a top-down analysis, discuss one or two things. If there's anything you're passing through in this journey, you let us know, then we'll solve it together. That is just it. So that's my aim for the live stream. You get? That's my aim for the live stream. Did you analyze EU or GU? Yes, I've analyzed Euro USD and GBP USD already, but since you are just coming, I'll show you what we are expecting on GBP USD and Euro USD. You understand? I'll show you what we are expecting on GBP USD and Euro USD as we are waiting for our trade to hit 1-to-1. Then we'll take partial profit. Let's still go to GBP USD and Euro USD, so that I'll show you guys what I'm expecting. You understand? So that I'll show you guys what I'm expecting. Okay. This is Euro USD. You understand? On our screen here, this is Euro USD. And what exactly are we expecting on Euro USD? The market is approaching this particular support level, and if the market comes to this support level and we'll see this pattern on the 15-minute time frame, then we'll combine it with bullish engulfing candle. You understand? Then we'll enter for a buy from this particular support level. You get? This is what I'm looking out for during this London section. You understand? During this London section, this is what I'm expecting on Euro USD. You get? I'll go to the 15-minute time frame, then expect the market to come on this particular support level, give us a W pattern. You understand? And whenever I will see the W pattern, immediately then we'll enter for a buy. You get? We cannot just jump on it because it's on the support level. No, we'll see a pattern. There is a pattern that I always see. Before we take a trade from this particular support level yesterday, this is the pattern that we'll get. We'll take a trade from this particular support level yesterday, and this is the pattern. This is exact pattern that we'll see before I call the trade, and all of us will make money from the trade yesterday. We'll make money from this particular trade yesterday. This is the pattern. You understand? And this is where I told them that they should enter, because yesterday there is a lot of manipulation on the chart yesterday, because the market opened with this particular gap. You understand? the market opened with this particular gap. So I told them that they should wait. Like, I see this bullish engulfing candle, I had not called the trade. I see this bullish engulfing candle, I had not called the trade till this particular area, and I tell them that they should enter immediately. We'll enter and we'll target 1 to 2, and it played out clean and clear. You understand? Mr. Richard, let's check our trade. Let's see what USD JPY is doing. It's like we have hit 1 to 1 already. Let me check. I'll still come back to this analysis, Euro USD and JPY USD analysis. You understand? But let's check our trade. Mr. Richard, tell me how much you are making now from this particular trade. Tell me how much you are making from this trade, USD JPY. Tell me how much you are making from USD JPY. We are 1 to 1 already. We are at 1 to 1 already. 1 to 1 hit already. You can take partial profit and put it on break even. And if you don't want to take partial profit, just put it on break even. Let's hold it to 1 to 2. You understand? As you can see, this is our 1 to 1. Let me expand it. Let me expand it. This is our 1 to 1. This particular line here is our 1 to 1. You understand? As you can see, it has hit 1 to 1 already. Then is either you take partial profits and wait for it to hit the remaining one. You understand? To hit 1 to 2, or you just put it on break even. Right now, I'm going to put it on break even because I don't want to take partial profit. I'm going to put it on break even. Let me hold if it will reach 1 to 2 or not. You understand? But first of all, let me know how much you are making from this particular trade. Let me know how much you are making. So, boss, what if market breaks below support in EU? Will that resistance above is still valid? Okay, I'm coming back for that very, very fast. Coming back for that. Let me put my trade on break even. Let me put it on break even. Mr. Richard, if you are active, let me see number 1 from you. Tell me how much you are making from the trade. Tell me how much you are making from the trade. Tell me how much you are making from the trade. This is my own here. This is what I'm making so far. I don't know if you are seeing it clear. It has reached 1 to 1 already. It has reached 1 to 1 already. I don't know if you guys are seeing it clear, but this is what I'm making from the trade. You understand? That's what I'm making from the trade. So I don't know if Miss Richard is still active. If you are active, let me see a reaction from you. You understand? It's me and you that take this trade together. Then I would like if you take partial profit. You understand? I would like if you take partial profit. Let it not come down and hit your break even. You understand? But me, I can, like, if you hit my break even, I'm okay. You get? If you hit my break even, I'm okay. So you need to like get something from the trade. Since it has reached 1 to 1 already, you need to take partial profit, then put the remaining one on break even. All right, let me check what you are saying on Euro USD. $21. Yes, that's what I've generated so far. You understand? As it reach 1 to 1, that's what I'm generating so far. Now put it on break even. Targeting 1 to 2. I'm targeting 1 to 2. I put it on break even because see, if your trade have given one, if your trade give 1 to 1, depends on your strategy. So if your trade give 1 to 1, you can like take partial profit and leave the remaining one running, or you put it on break even so that you have rest of mind. You understand? That's what keeps me going. You get? That is what keeps me going. But everybody have a way of approaching his or her trade. You get? But mine, when it reach 1 to 1 like this, I'll just take some partial profits, take some profit out, or just lock my this thing. Like I'll protect my capital, let it do whatever I want to do. You understand? So before then, this is your question. Let me go through it. Let me go through this your question. So boss, what if markets break below support in EU? Will that resistance above still valid? Okay, let's see it together. Euro USD. EUR USD. EURUSD. See, your question is very, very, very valid. You understand? This question that you ask is very, very valid. But you know why it will hard for this particular market to break below this support level? I don't know. Like, it might break below the support level, but it will be very hard for it to break below this particular support level. Do you know why? Because there is a gap here for the market to fill before it takes any direction. You understand? And the way the market is coming to the downside is not coming, like, it's not giving me the, like, it's not convincing me that it's going to break below this particular support level. But if eventually it break below this particular support level, what you are going to see is it will, like, break. Let me carry this arrow. It will, as it's coming down, it will break below this particular support level, then go up, retest. You understand? It will retest it. The support level will automatically turn to a resistance level. You understand? It will retest it, turn it to a resistance level, then we'll see a push to this particular next support level. But for what I'm seeing currently, the way the market is coming down, see, you're supposed to look the structure of the market, how the movement is, like, the behavior of the market currently. You understand? So as you can see, the way the market is coming to the downside is not giving me any, like, courage that the market is going to break below this particular support level. And let's see how yesterday candlestick close. See how yesterday candlestick close. As you can see, the market close. This is the hammer. You understand? This is a hammer. So it will be very hard for Euro USD to break below this particular support level. You understand? And if it break, then it will automatically turn into a resistance level, then move down to the next support level. But what I'm seeing, but what I'm seeing, no, the market will not break below the support level. Let me on everything. The market will not break below the support level, but if it break below the support level, all you need to do is to enter for a sell from this particular area. You wait for it to retest, then enter for a sell. You understand? To the next support level, just like this. You enter for a sell to the next support level. But what I'm looking out for during this London section is the market to give me an AW pattern, then we'll enter for a buy to the upside, because that's what I'm seeing. That's exactly what I'm seeing. But anything can happen. But that's exactly what I'm seeing. So if the market break below this support level, just as you asked, all you need to do is to wait for the market to retest, then you follow it to the downside. And where exactly are you going to, like, target this next support level? This is a support level, this is a support level. This support level might hold the market to push it to the upside, or it might, like, break below this support level to the next support level. You get? So this is what is going to happen on the chart. You understand? On Euro USD. I don't know if this answer your question correctly or not. If this particular explanation answer your question correctly, let me see a reaction from you. If this particular explanation answer your question correctly, let me see a reaction from you, Mr. Emmanuel. Does that answer your question correctly? Does that answer your question correctly? That resistance level at the top is valid until that particular gap that the market open filled. If not until that particular gap filled, that resistance level is valid. You get? That resistance level is valid. What is giving me more confidence, you understand, that the market is today network is just dealing with me anyhow. Oh my God. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, Miss Rachel. Sorry about that. I don't think it's from my end here, because what happened yesterday, I battled with it. I battled with it. So All right. All right. So means I answer your question. That resistance level is still valid until that particular gap filled. Simple. That resistance level. Let me show you the resistance level safe. Let me still show you the resistance level. This particular let me is it okay? This is a 4 hour time frame. This resistance level is valid until this gap is filled. Let me if not until this gap here is filled, the resistance level is valid. You understand? Until the market come and fill this particular gap before you consider any resistance level from the upside is not valid. You understand? If not, it's valid until this particular gap is filled. If not until this gap is filled, there's nothing the market can like would do. You understand? It must come down to fill this particular gap. It must go like it must come up here to fill this particular gap. You understand? So it's still valid 100%. 100% is still valid. Let me check USD JPY. Let me check USD JPY. What is our trade doing? Okay. USD JPY is still very, very valid and is still very okay. It's still at that range of TP1, you understand? So once it break above this line like this, then TP2 is sure. You understand? It's still like it's still at that range, you understand? But my trade now is on break even. You get my trade now is on break even because there is a gap down below. That gap, I didn't mean there is no gap, but there is gap down below. So you guys to be very, very careful if you are doing anything concerning buy on USD JPY. You understand? And there is gap below, above. So you guys to be very careful if you are doing anything concerning sell on USD JPY on Euro USD. You understand? There is gap above. So you guys to be very careful if you are doing anything concerning sell on USD Euro USD, but there is a gap below. You understand? So you got to be very careful if you are doing anything concerning buy on USD JPY. That's the reason for putting our trade on break even. You understand? So that will be safe. So Miss Rachel, since you are back, please put the trade on break even. Okay. I'm up $15 now. I put it on break even. Okay, you can take partial profit as well. You can take partial profit as well so that at least you get something from the trade. Because since there is a gap down below, the market can do anything. The market can do anything. Since there is gap down below, there will be a manipulation till that particular gap is filled. You understand? There will be a manipulation till that particular gap is filled. Thank God you put it on break even. My own is on break even since itself. My own is on break even since. The reason why he's behaving like that is because of that gap below. That gap, you guys will see what will happen. That gap, the market must go no matter how far it goes to the upside. It must come down to fit this particular gap. This gap here. The gap is even too much. This gap, the market must come down to fit the gap. You understand? And is on the resistance level now. So this putting our trade on break even is the wisest thing to do because the market is on a major resistance level and there is a gap down for the market to fill. You get the market is on this particular major resistance level. This particular one. So and this particular gap, the market is coming down to fill it. So whatever you are doing on USD JPY, be very careful if you are buying. You understand? Be very careful if you are buying. Buying with all the wisdom you have. Buy with all the wisdom you have. But for the retest, are we going to wait for the user entry model of M pattern with bearish engulfing? Yes, that without that, without that this thing, don't take any trade. Like me, if I don't see that engulfing candle, no, I'm not going to take that particular trade. If I don't see that engulfing candle, I'm not going to take that particular trade. But let's see how it's going to do. Let's see what exactly it's going to do. From the resistance level, if I do not see an M pattern, you understand, with bearish engulfing candle, I'm not going to take the trade. That's just me. That's just me. That's just me. Something like this. As you can see, this is an M pattern. This is an M pattern. This is an M pattern. You understand? This is an M pattern. But the reason why the market did not go down is because there is a heavy manipulation on the chart. Okay, this is another M pattern. This is another M pattern again. That's supposed to send the market down to that gap, you understand? But no. This is another M pattern. See bearish engulfing candle that's supposed to send the market down to the maybe next support level, but there's a lot of manipulation because of the gap down below. That is the reason why you are seeing all this move to the upside. You understand? So before you do anything concerning sell, make sure you confirm your M pattern just like this, just something like this. You understand? Before you take any buy or before you take any sell, something like this before you take any sell. That's just it. Without that, don't do anything. Without that, don't do anything. Without that, don't do anything. Hope this thing have not stopped me out. Okay. Still valid and it's still going. It's still going. This is it. I put it on break even already. I put it on break even. Let me show you guys. So that M pattern with engulfing candle is very, very necessary. That M pattern with engulfing candle is very, very necessary. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. Let me. This is it. Yeah. This is it. I'll put it on break even. I don't know if you can see it very clear, but I'll put it on break even. You understand? It's still on break even. Targeting, see my TP at the top here. See my take profit at the top here. As you can see my take profit at the top here. You understand? So we are still waiting. Is there any question? Is there any question? Is there any questions? If there is any question, I would like to I will appreciate so that we'll dive into it. Yo, is there any questions? Is there any questions from you guys? Just let me know what you want me to do. Let me know what you want. Let me know what you want. Let me know what you want. Yep. Let me check Euro USD. Let me check Euro USD. Oh, it's been long. I checked JP USD. Let me check JP USD. Okay. JPUSD is approaching the support level, but I'm not going to do anything yet. I'm not going to do anything. It's approaching the support level. I'm not going to do anything. This, you see what the market always do, huh? This is an inducement too. The market is creating an inducement around this area now like this, making people to enter for a buy, you understand? Then you can later see a spike to the downside, clear everybody out before the right move will start. This is what they call inducement. This consolidation before the major support level is what they call inducement. This consolidation before the major support level is what they call inducement. So the market will now just go up a bit, then you see a spike from the upside, clear everybody that will put their stop loss below here, clear them out, then tap on this particular main support level before you see a push to the upside. So please and please don't be a liquidity sweep. Try all your possible best so that you will not be a liquidity sweep. Learn about inducement in the market. Learn about how markets hunt stop loss. You understand? Learn about it very, very well. And if there is any question concerning that in my next live video, just bring your question. You understand? If you make research about it, bring your question so that I'll show you how it look like on the chart also. You understand? Bring your question so that I'll show you how it look like, how it behave, how it trap people, then we'll do it together. I'll be very, very appreciate solving your problems. I'll be appreciate solving your problems. The market is approaching a support level now, trying to create an inducement so that it will sweep people out, but it's not me. I'm not part of them. If my trade will hit SL, let it hit SL at the right time and at the right place. Not that you make me a liquidity. No. That is impossible. That is impossible. I won't be surprised if this particular USD JPY come down to hit our break even. I'm $22 in profit now. It's coming down. This is $20 in profit now. I won't be surprised if it come down to hit our break even. I won't be surprised because what the market is doing is just trying to go up and down, trying to like grab liquidity before it goes to the downside. That's what it's trying to do. So let's see how it goes. Let me see Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD is approaching the support level as well. It's approaching the support level also. And this is my view on Euro USD also. This is my view on Euro USD also. Thank you. You are welcome. 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 Our trade is still pushing. It's still pushing. This is $21 in profit, $22 in profit now for my end here. You are welcome. So don't forget, this is what we are expecting, and this is what we are waiting for on Euro USD. This is exactly what we are waiting for on Euro USD. You understand? This is exactly what we are waiting for on Euro USD. Let me check gold. Let's see what gold is doing. Okay, gold is not even trying to do anything serious this time around like this. Gold is not trying to do anything serious, but it's not by force. Gold is not serious this time. All gold is looking for is to hit 4K. Gold is just seriously looking for a way to hit 4K. God is just seriously looking for a way to hit 4K. And he's fast and he's approaching it on less than how many people now? Let me mark it out. Let me mark how many people. This is 2000 in like 2,642 people now to 4K. That's just a small move for good. A small move for good. But from the current price now, it will be 4,373 people now to 4K. I know for long now that gold is up, like gold is just targeting 4K. And that's just what it's targeting. Gold is targeting 4K. In less than 4,500 this thing pip, gold will be 4K. And that is where everybody eye just did. That's where everybody eye did. That's where everybody eye did. So is there any question? Any question before we call it a day for now? Because we have less than 4 minutes now to call it a day. We have tried. We have less than 4 minutes now to call it a day. Then please take a screenshot of what we are expecting on Euro USD and JP USD. Take a screenshot of it. Take a screenshot of it. Take a screenshot of it. Let me bring it out so that you guys will take a screenshot of it. Take a screenshot of what we are expecting on Euro USD. Take a screenshot of what we are expecting on Euro USD. The W pattern from this support level, then we'll go in for a buy. You understand? Then we'll go in for a buy. Then on JPUSD also, let me snap this. Then on JPUSD also, on JPUSD is trying to gather liquid. JPUSD is like JPUSD. I don't know what's wrong with it. Like he's always looking for liquidity. You understand? That's the reason for this inducement that is creating this consolidation that is doing. It will just spike to the downside, clear people that will buy from here, then go directly to the upside. But let's see what he's going to do. So you can take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot of this. You understand? We have less than, let me just see, our trade is coming down, but we are safe. We are safe. It's on break even already, so we are safe. So you can take a screenshot of Euro USD and JP USD. You can take a screenshot. Then we'll call it a day. We'll have less than 2 minutes now to go. If there is any question, then let me know. If there is any question, let me know. We'll have less than 3 minutes to go. And we have less than 2 minutes to go. If there's any question, just let me know. Let me know if there's any question. Then if there is no question, then arrange your question and come back 8 p.m. in the evening. Gather your question and come back 8 p.m. in the evening so that we'll do it together, we'll solve it together. Arrange your question to come back 8 p.m. in the evening so that we'll do it together. So far, we'll have less than 1 minute to go. We have less than 1 minute to go. And Miss Richard, please, if you are on the trade, if you are still on the trade, please take partial profit. Take partial profit and leave the remaining one on break even. Me, I'm not going to take partial profit. Is either it come down to hit break even or not. Bro, where about Ikemefuna. Clyde Ikemefuna. If I don't pronounce your name very correctly, please don't be angry. But I don't understand the question, please. I don't understand the question. Please, can you come again? Is it where am I streaming? I'm doing this live video from, or I don't actually know what you say. Please don't be angry. Please, can you come again? Is it where am I? Is it where did I stay or where did I live? Please. Okay. Okay. Okay, where are you watching from? Please, where are you watching from? Please tell me where you are watching from first. Tell me where you are watching from first, please. Tell me where you are watching from. Okay, the state. Me, I'm in Nasarawa State. You understand? I'm in Nasarawa State. Okay, you are watching from UK. That's very great. That's very great. Me, I'm in Nasarawa State, Nigeria. You understand? From Nigeria, streaming from Nasarawa State. A very calm state in Nigeria. You understand? Nasarawa is a very calm state. You get? Nasarawa is a very calm state. So, is there any other question? Thank you, guys. 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 Is there any other question? You are streaming all the way from UK, United Kingdom. You're highly welcome. I appreciate you, my bro. You're highly welcome. We need to talk privately, please. So, if you want me and you to talk privately, check the description of my video. You understand? Go on my YouTube channel. Go on my YouTube now, like this. You see my WhatsApp number. You understand? Immediately as you are going to my channel, as you are on my channel, you see my WhatsApp number at the top there. So you see my WhatsApp number, chat me direct. Just tell me your name, then tell me where you are chatting from, then tell me where you get me from. You understand? So that I'll know that yes, it's you. If this is not the name you are bearing on WhatsApp, you understand? If this is not the name you are bearing on WhatsApp, then just get my number from my channel. You understand? Immediately as you are going to my channel, as you land on my channel, you see my WhatsApp number at the top there. At the top there. You understand? So you can chat me directly from there. So before we go, this is the trade I will take, and it's still doing greatly okay. This is the trade I will take on USD JPY. This is the trade I will take on USD JPY, and it's doing greatly well. What is this? Okay, and it's doing greatly well. This is the trade I will take. Although I've tell them to put it on break even already, so that I will be at the safer side. You understand? Because there is something I'm seeing. You understand? The market is still coming back down, but there's a reason for this buy. You get this where we are targeting 1 to 2, and here is 1 to 1. It's already hit 1 to 1. That's the reason why I told them that they should take partial profits. As you can see, I'm still on the trade. Just that I put it on break even. I'm still on the trade. So let's see if there's any question. Oh, you are welcome. You are welcome. It's Clyde. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. Is there any other questions? Is there any other questions? Is there any other questions? Then if there is no any other question for now, then we'll see again 8 p.m. You understand? We'll see again 8 p.m. when we are doing our top-down analysis. Bring your questions so that we'll do it together as well. You understand? If there's anywhere you are confused on the chat, bring it to me while we'll be on the live around 8 p.m. doing our top-down analysis. That is when I'll do top-down analysis. 8 a.m. is my view on London during London section. Show you guys what I'm expecting on London section during the London section. Then 8 p.m. is to do a total top-down analysis. any pair you want me to analyze, we'll just analyze it together, and that's all. You get? So thank you guys for showing. Thank you guys for coming, and see you in my next live stream. That is 8 p.m. in the evening. Bye for now. Bye for now. Bye for now. Bye for now. Bye for now.